a great choice today with the 2019 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.